Hi guys, so quickly I just want to finish up my order from JoAnn. So thank you guys. A lot of people are saying whenever they've been ordering from JoAnn's, like pretty much all of their stuff gets canceled, the items. And someone said cancel means it's out of stock. Well, yeah, obviously, because like it's not that they just canceled it on you because they just felt like it. They just didn't have it. But, you know, especially with the yarns, what's a bummer on JoAnn.com is like you go through, you pick a type of yarn. Let's say it's irresistible or unforgettable, whatever it's called. And they have 20 different colors. Okay, so you have to pick each color. It'll say out of stock. Next color, out of stock. And you have to wait for it to spool up, right? Next color, out of stock. Next color, maybe it's, available, whatever it says. I think it just says like, well, it doesn't say available, but you can pick however many you want. Okay, next one, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. Why don't they just show you the ones that are in stock? That way when you click it, you know what, instead of clicking each colorway and let's saying out of stock, it's such a waste of time. And then, they get canceled in the meantime. So you guys know a lot of my yarn did get canceled, but I did order a lot of yarn. So pretty much, I got quite a bit. And I was ordering, things that were super sale or the things I don't normally have because like I have a huge yarn stash, right? I have every basic yarn there is in different multiple colors. But I did get the rest of these guys, and then I'm going to show you some stuff I picked up from King Arthur Flower, which is another funny story. But the unforgettable yarn, this one's called Woodlands. So I just want to show you guys the colorways like in real life, so maybe that might help you if you see them online. In my last video, there were a ton more colorways. Really pretty with the light blue, kind of almost like periwinkle, going into that darker with the copper and the brown. Really pretty. And this one is Dragonfly, and that's aptly named. Look how pretty that is. So it has like that kind of, look of a dragonfly with the green and the, what's that stuff called? Like oil slick, but there's a name for it. Why can't I think of it right now? Anyway, so there's that. And then I got this, and it was already open. And what's a bummer about this thing is that I think, see how it says accessory? And it does have a different name or a number. And then down here it says it doesn't come with the accessories. I figured they were talking about the yarn. Because I have one of these already that has this little bag. And I'm pretty sure I didn't buy the bag separately. Because why would I? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's not something I would have paid for. Because I would just have something. I have tons of things that hold my crochet hooks. So it's kind of a bummer because like I said, it was open. It should have come from the factory or the warehouse, right? And it doesn't have that with it. But oh well. But the strap is in here. So it didn't come with the accessory bag. But it does have the strap. So, oh, what was that noise? Yeah. But really cute, and this is one I was telling you guys about. So I already have one of these in pink, and it's a really pretty pink, so, whatever they have in this black, cool, kind of gray pattern. I'm not going to put that back in there yet, or at all, ever. So I'll double check the listing to see if it's supposed to have the little accessory bag. So, King Arthur Flower. So, in February when everyone started freaking out and buying everything, flour was one of the first things to really go. But I have like 3 or 4 bags of flour because I always have flour just from cookie making and baking and everything else I do. And different types and, all that. So I wasn't freaking out because I, even my grocery store always had bread and stuff. So it wasn't something I had to like have. But I thought, what if it gets real bad? I need to order some of this stuff. So this stuff I ordered towards basically the end of February. And because everything was sold out and then supposedly it came back in stock. And what's funny about these things, when I look at it, it says I ordered it on April 30th. That is not true. Because I guess whenever they shipped it is when they said, but they said, oh, things are back in stock, come and buy them. So I bought them, but they weren't really back in stock. So that's kind of a bummer. They were, and people are saying that. It's like, why are online companies saying something's in stock when they know they're not going to ship it for weeks or they don't have it? If they're expecting it, that's one thing, but don't say it's in stock, right? So I did sign up for their baking club because I don't remember if it was $25 or $40. Either way, it made sense because I got a $10 gift certificate. I got this cute little spatula. I got free shipping and something else. So like, it just came out better for me to buy the club for the year. And so yeah, this cute little spatula, nice wood handle, like really nice. It feels like teak wood, I don't know, but it's from Nordic Wear. It says I love my bunt, which is adorable. They have a bag that says this too, but the bag is always sold out. Anyway. So I finally got some stuff in. I got like the other day I put away because it's not something I need to show here, but some muesli, right? It's like with berries and just oats and stuff like that. That was on sale. All this stuff was on sale. They just took forever to send it. So to be honest, whenever I check, they're telling me they haven't sent this stuff. So this is weird because I do have my flour. I didn't know this was in here. Self-rising flour, unbleached, super heavy, right? It's 5 pounds. The lemon glaze, this is just something fun that you can put on all kinds of different things. But, so I just picked some up just to try it. And it's basically confectioner's sugar and lemon juice powder. So, I mean, you can make this yourself, but it must have been on sale. I don't know. Because I just wanted to try it. This thing is almost opened up. I didn't realize this was in here too. Unbleached all-purpose flour. Whenever I look, it tells me it hasn't shipped, so this is good. I'm glad this is here because that's most of my order. That is a 10-pound baby. Oh, a scone mix. Maybe I'll make this morning. It's a little bit smashed. It's lemon blueberry scone mix. They have really good mixes. I mean, it's King Arthur flour. You know, you should expect really good stuff from them. That is there. I think this is for everyone probably to use. Spring Fun 20. It's a promotion code for free shipping, I'm assuming. You would think it would be 20% off, but it just says free shipping on orders over $59. I get free shipping anyway on orders over $25, so that doesn't really matter. But Spring Fun 20. There's that. This actually came last week. It's just been sitting here. That's why I'm just kind of... Sorry, that sounds horrible. Ooh, that sounds really bad. I'm sorry. Oh, this is cute. That's why I have my scone. I think I paid these scones separately. But, or it might have been, well, yeah. It might have been a bundled thing because a lot of times they'll sell the pans plus the scone mix or whatever else that you're ordering. So look how pretty. Oh my gosh, these are so heavy and gorgeous. King Arthur, I mean, obviously they don't make this. This is by Chantal, it says. They carry just like the best stuff. So, you know, anything I get from there I know is going to be great. This is a 2-piece scone set. I do not have scone bakers that are ceramic or whatever. So that is going to be really fun to play with. And then with my new mix, all I have to do is mix this up real quick. What does this take? An egg, some butter, milk, a little salt. So that's going to be nice to work with, maybe this morning. The other thing that was impossible to find that lasts forever, if you especially put it in the fridge or the freezer, is yeast. So I went ahead and bought this. This one doesn't expire till, it looks like 2022. So, you know what I'm saying? You get basically 2 years. So yeast is great. And then what is a maple glaze for like your donuts or just anything else, or just like, how about making some muffins with a little crumb topping and a little maple glaze like they do at Costco? Yes. I have not stepped foot in a Costco and I will not during this time. It's always crazy. Espresso powder. So this is something that's really nice to put in with like whenever you make brownies or anything with chocolate. It just punches it up. What is this darkness coming from? I see like a really dark shadow. I don't know why. But there it is. And this high rising sandwich. Oh, sorry. That was the recipe. Baker's Special dry milk. So that's another thing I couldn't really find at the store was dry milk. And this is, I've always been curious of theirs because they always add like any recipe. You can go to kingarthurflour.com and you'll find tons of recipes. I have all their books. They're huge. But their recipes are online for free. Really great recipes. They're not going to fail you. I'm telling you. You can trust them, right? So they always use their Baker's Special dry milk, and I just use whatever cheap carnation or whatever I can find at the store. So this time I decided to go ahead and get that, especially since I couldn't find it at the time anyway. So that's what's kind of a bummer. All this stuff I ordered a long time ago, it's barely coming in now, and now I have no problem finding anything. But flour is still one of the things that's hard to find, though. You might find like a little tiny, like 1 pound bag, like a little sample bag, you know. But so I'm glad to have that. I was gonna say, I'm just waiting for my bread flour, so let me move this to the side. I'm not gonna take it out of here. Here's my whole wheat flour and my bread flour. And I'm not super picky when it comes to flours, but I guess I am because I love King Arthur flour. Just good stuff. Alright guys, I think that is it. Hopefully that's all I've been waiting for. I think it is. I think I just placed a new order, and it's mostly for like cutesy stuff, not like the basics like these things. But, you know, I mean, they're not inexpensive, but they do have a really great product. So if you see them even at the store, I highly recommend it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. I hope everyone's doing well. Bye now.